Good morning. In the earlier videos relating to goodwill, we had discussed the theory part and we discussed the 5 methods with the help of which we can calculate goodwill. Today we are taking two illustrations which are little different from the previous methods. So please listen to these illustrations properly, carefully practice them, and I have given two similar unsolved questions. Practice them, solve them, and send it to me. The solution you send it to me on my personal number. If in case you have any doubts, you can call me or message me. Now the first question says that there are three partners who are sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. They have decided to admit one more partner line into the partnership, and at the time of admission they are going to value the goodwill at 80% of the average annual profit of the previous 3 or 4 year profit, whichever is higher. 3 years average profit or 4 year average profit, whichever is higher, it will be considered, and 80% of that will be the value of goodwill. Now they have given 4 years average profit. While calculating 3 year average profit, we will consider 2018, 2017 and 2016's profit. We will not include 2015's profit. Okay, the first 3 years will not be considered. The last 3 years profit will be considered to calculate the average 3 year profit. In case of 4 year profit, we will take all the 4 years. Okay, now see here I have made two boxes. In the first box 3 year average profit is calculated, and in the second box 4 year average profit is calculated. While calculating 3 year average profit, the last 3 years profit is taken into consideration: 48,000, 30,000, 31,500. The total is 1,09,500 divided by 3, that is 36,500. In case of 4 year, it is 48,000, 40,000, 31,500 and 45,000. Total is 1,54,500 divided by 4. We will get average profit of 4 year as 38,625. 38,625 and 36,500. When we compare these two average profits, 38,625 is higher. The 4 year average profit is higher than the 3 year average profit. And according to the question, we will consider this amount to calculate the goodwill. Goodwill is 80% of the 4 year average profit, and which is equal to 30,900. 80% of 38,625 is 30,900 rupees. Now let's take second illustration. Now here they have given us the value of goodwill. See, in the previous questions we had calculated the value of goodwill. Here they have given us the value of goodwill, and they are asking us to find out the average profit of the firm. So this question is little different from the previous ones. Okay. Now they have given assets 75,000 rupees, including cash rupees 5,000. Its creditors amounted to 5,000 rupees. So capital employed is asset minus liabilities. So 75,000 minus 5,000, it will be 70,000. Capital employed is 70,000. There is one more method. The firm had a reserve of 10,000 and capital of partners is 60,000. When we add capital and reserve, see, it is also 70,000. So using both the methods, capital employed we are getting 70,000 rupees. Now see, the normal rate of return is 20%. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 24,000. Okay, goodwill of the firm is valued at 24,000, and it is 4 times purchase of super profit. Okay, so first we will calculate the value of super profit. With this information, we will calculate the average normal profit, and with the help of normal profit and super profit, we can calculate average profit. Okay, first step. Okay, goodwill is valued at 4 year purchase of super profit. So goodwill is equal to super profit into 4. Value of goodwill according to question is 24,000. Super profit value they have not given, but it is multiplied by 4 to get the value of goodwill. So when we solve this equation, super profit is equal to 24,000 divided by 4 equal to 6,000 rupees. Okay, so we now know the value of super profit. It is 6,000 rupees. Now we have to calculate normal profit. See, the formula is capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. Now see, they have used in this solution, it is capital plus reserve. So capital is 60,000, reserve is 10,000. So capital employed is 70,000, and 20% of 70,000 is 14,000 rupees. So we now have the value of normal profit also. Normal profit is 14,000. Okay. We can use the other formula also, asset minus liabilities. So we will get 70,000. Now super profit, we have already studied that super profit's formula is average profit minus normal profit, and according to the question we have to find out average profit. Put the value of super profit 6,000 in this formula. Normal profit is 14,000. Okay, so solving this equation we will get average profit is equal to 6,000 plus 14,000. Average profit is equal to 6,000 plus 14,000. So average profit is 20,000 rupees. Average profit is equal to super profit plus normal profit, and 14 plus 6,000 we will get 20,000. The answer is 20,000 rupees. Now I have given two practice question. I have changed the values only. Okay, otherwise the statements are same. Like, see, these three partners were there, new partner is coming, profit sharing ratio I have changed, the value of profits for the 4 years I have changed. So only the calculation part will be little different, the steps will be same. In this question also the values I have changed. Okay, it is 97,000 including cash rupees 7,000 rupees. Okay, creditors 17,000, reserve is 10,000. Okay, capital is 70,000. Normal rate is same 20%, and goodwill is given 40,000. You have to find out average profit like the second illustration. Solve then these two questions and send the solution to me. Okay.